What's happening? So most of this video is going to be heavily on coding and utilizing the HuggingFace platform. But first, today I just want to introduce you to HuggingFace, a company that is revolutionizing natural language processing and AI. HuggingFace provides a broad range of pre-trained models and tools like transformers, tokenizers, and datasets, making AI accessible to anyone and eliminating the need to start from scratch. This platform fosters collaboration, openness, and encourages knowledge transfers among AI enthusiasts across the globe while emphasizing responsible AI. HuggingFace, you are going to love it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Go to huggingface.co and then log in or sign up, depending on where you're at in this journey. All right, so after you log in, you'll come to your default pages. We're going to go ahead and start off on models. All right, so now that we're on the model page, on the left-hand side, you'll notice a list of computer vision, natural language processing, audio. These are kind of filters of the model, and the models are on the right here. So today we're going to go through question and answering. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. It will filter on the right-hand side the stuff. We can also do a sorting by most downloads, and then we're going to go ahead and select this one right here. It will then bring up a model card. The model card has information about the model. Basic overviews, usually has descriptions, maybe some code samples, some basic. The best way to get started, deploy. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to click on deploy and go to API. We're going to go ahead and copy it. Open up any of your editors. Paste it in. And I think the only thing I need to do is do a print output. And we'll go ahead and run it. All right, so there you go. What this will do is it will take the context of the information I sent in and then take my question. So this tells me that it believes that it found the answer to my question at 93% certainty that starts on character 11 and goes to 16, and there you go. Good stuff. All right, so for the next one, we're going to try out the pipeline one. We're going to use the transformers. We're going to go ahead and copy. Go back to our editor. And this one, I think we need to change a little more. I don't think I need any of that. I think I need to pull this. Question and answers equals. I guess we'll cheat. Put that in there. That's it. I just need to call the output pipe QA. Correct. And that got filled in by GitHub Autopilot or Copilot. Great tool. Go ahead and save and all right. So let's see. Error. Oh, dict format. Hold on. There we go. All right. So it did come back. Same thing, started the same characters, got the name. On the last one we're going to try, we're going to go ahead and copy in this, and this is going to be one of the local ones where you have the tokenizer and the model in it. Normally I just squeeze it in here, and we'll see how that works. Clear. All right, so there you go. Same output as the other two. Let me do one last one here. Change it to Michael. As in Phoenix. Go ahead and hit save. Rerun. All right, so there you go. It's what I expected. You expected the same start spot, but the ending one should have been different because of the extra characters. So good stuff. Okay, so one thing I do want to say is When you run the pipeline ones and the local ones, the last two we did, it will download the model to your local system. And to find those, they're in a hidden directory. So on your main drive or your home directory, you just need to come into a Command-Shift period, and it will bring up this folder called Cache. And in there you'll find the HuggingFace and all the models that you've downloaded. The advantage to that obviously is if you build multiple different projects and using the same model, you don't need to keep downloading them. If you don't download them prior, it will download it at runtime. So one thing I did create is a GitHub to make this a little easier. And I know what you saw was pretty easy, but as you scale up and try multiple different models, you will start to learn that having a framework set up for you is a little bit easier. So I did put one in here called API, which was the first one, pipeline, which was the second one, and local, which was the third one. So this thing is laid out exactly like the previous demo, with one addition is I added Python 3 Git. I added this tool called Get Model Info. If you ever do run into an issue, which you will run into them, with the auto modeler or the auto tokenizer or processor in this case, you'll get a misconfiguration, and if you do, the odds are pretty good that if you just look at this architecture one, this is more than likely the one you'll have to change up right there, which you'll see that I do have that one there and not the actual auto one. I actually put the other one in there because it will generate issues from time to time. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.